In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Flutter project in Visual Studio Code from GitHub. This process may seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little patience and guidance, you'll be up and running in no time. So, let's dive right in. First things first, it's crucial to install the necessary software to effectively work with Flutter projects in VS Code. Begin by installing the Flutter SDK. Flutter is Google's UI toolkit for crafting beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and beyond. Along with Flutter, you will also need Git, a distributed version control system that will allow us to clone repositories from GitHub. And naturally, we need Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor that comes with a multitude of tools to manage and code your project seamlessly. Once you have those installed, you're going to enhance Visual Studio Code with a couple of essential extensions. The Flutter extension provides enhanced support for running and debugging Flutter apps, and the Dart extension is necessary because Flutter is built on Dart, a client-optimized language for fast apps on any platform. With these extensions, your coding environment in VS Code is well equipped to handle Flutter projects. To ensure that everything is set up correctly, open your terminal and type in the command flutter doctor. This command is like a diagnostic tool that checks your environment and displays a report of the status of your Flutter installation, including the installed components and any setup issues. Make sure to resolve any issues before proceeding. Next, let's copy the GitHub repository URL of the Flutter project you wish to import. On the GitHub page of your desired repository, click the green Code button and select the HTTPS option to copy the URL. For instance, it might look something like this: https://github.com, username, flutterproject.git. Now that you have your repository URL, it's time to clone the project onto your local machine. Open your terminal or git bash and ensure Flutter is installed and functioning by running flutter doctor once more. Then execute the command git clone followed by your copied repository URL, which will download the repository to your local system. Navigate into the project folder using the cd command. For example, you would type cd flutter project. Once inside your project directory, open it in Visual Studio Code by typing code in the terminal. This command will launch VS Code with your Flutter project loaded. Now, to get your project ready to run, you must install its dependencies by executing flutter pub-get. This will pull in all necessary packages your project relies on. Afterwards, confirm your setup again with Flutter Doctor to make sure everything is in working order. To see which devices are available for your project, run Flutter devices. You'll need an emulator or a connected device to run your Flutter app. Finally, with all that taken care of, it's time to run your app with the flutter run command. And that's it. You've successfully imported, set up, and run your Flutter project in Visual Studio Code from GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding!